The summer's calling.
Hey, hello everyone, welcome to techbronze.com. Today I'm going to show you how can you use this battery in Yongnuo Digital YN300 III Pro LED video light, and I'm going to unboxing it because I already unboxed it Yongnuo light in the previous video. So I'm just showing you how can you use this. Okay, and also I will show you the charger, the battery charger. You have to buy separately the battery also and the charger, and that's actually not included with the light. I said it before and I showed it in the previous video. This is the light. Actually I already reviewed it, so I'm gonna unboxing the light. Okay, just started. So this is the battery, you see. Okay, what actually there Sony NP-F970 battery pack, made in Japan, Sony Corporation, and the main thing is 7.2 voltage, 6600 mAh. Okay, so this is the lamp, and this is the rechargeable battery. What actually inside the packet, it said it's L series. In the here this is said it's a Sony rechargeable battery pack and battery rechargeable NP-F9, this model name F970. Okay, is there any manual with it? Okay, I see it, there is a manual. I see you can see here. Okay, I'm just taking it. What inside it? Sony rechargeable battery pack, battery rechargeable Aku. Oh my god, it's a big manual. I think I don't need to, in a many language, English, France, Netherlands, in Chinese language also. Okay, Italiano. So they provided the manual in many languages, so people from any country can understand. So I think so it's I think so I should not read this because I know how to use battery. Okay, so I'm just done. Okay, now I am when you try to opening the battery pack charger. Okay, it's simple for F550 by 970. Okay, so open it up. Oh my god, simple, just holding plastic. This look like local thing, alright, but okay, where this I'm opening. Okay, it's not look like new. I think it's a local product, or the company not focusing on the quality or the anything, because it's a charger, simple. Okay, video digital camera, said video digital camera, travel charger, product name charger, input AC 100V 240V and voltage maximum 150 mA, output DC 4.2 voltage 600 mAh. Warning: to prevent it from fire or moisture, that means any fire or any liquid things like water. To reduce the risk of electronic shock, do not remove cover or back plate. I'm showing you the back. Okay, and then made in China. Okay, what is said, this is the cover. You can just okay, you see there. So they said that do not remove cover, these things. Okay, how can you charge? Just take the battery like me. See, there is a 2 hole and there is 2 pin here. Just you have to put it like that, take it like that and just up slide. It's okay, I'm just showing you by taking risk. Okay, that's it. So just, and you see here is the pin, just you have to flip it up and just put it into multiply. Okay, so I'm just now testing the battery, isn't it work or not. Okay, I'm just taking it and I'm just like same things. There's a 2 hole and there's a 2 pin, just put it. Oh my god. Okay, it's fixed. And opening the light again. If I power on, oh my god, so shit. Light, you see. Okay, you can increase the brightness and decrease the brightness as well, and off. This is the on button and off button, like this I reviewed already. And how to open this battery from there. Okay, I said made mistake. Okay, just first close these 2 things, then these 2 things. Just here is a button, you see, here is a button, just push on it and then just flip it back. Okay, and down. That's it. Simple thing. So okay, now I'm showing you how can you charge this battery. Okay, now I'm showing you how can charge it. Okay, after putting the battery into charger, you see there is a 2 pin, just you have to plug in like that. After that, you see there is a, it says charge. If this is red light, that means it's charging. If you see the green light, that means it's a full charge or not charging. Okay, thank you for watching Tech Bronze. If you love this video, if it helpful for you, please do subscribe and share it with your friends who actually have YN300 III Yongnuo Digital Video Pro Light. Thank you.